Hi, good morning, everyone. Today I discuss tense. First, you understand what is tense. Tense is very important in English grammar because when we make sentences, we should know the tenses perfectly. Tense will show the situation of action. It shows situation of action. Action means work. On the basis of situations, in English, we have made 12 tenses. How many tenses? 12 tenses we have made. But today, I will discuss only simple present tense. What is simple present tense? Simple present tense, it is a tense. It is used in present situation. And many teachers, students, and people will get confusion about the tenses because they do not know the exact situations of tenses. Let us see the first situation. So, what are the situations of this tense? The first situation is to talk about regular activities. Whatever we do every day, what I do, what you do, what others does. When we talk about regular activities, we use this tense. And next situation is to talk about future plan. Whatever future plan you are going to do, those future plans you are going to say in English, we use simple present tense. What is the structure? Structure means what? Formula of this tense. Many students, and many people, they will compare English grammar tense to other language grammar tenses, but do not do that because English grammar is quite different from other languages. Structure means formula, or we can say how to make sentence. Many students do not know how to make sentence. Once you know the formula, you can make sentence on your own. First formula is sentence starts from I, we, you, they. So after any one word, you can place V1. V1 means verb 1. Negative plus, don't plus, V1 plus other words. This is the first formula. Second formula is what? He. Third person. He, see, it. V1, we add ACS. The negative form is doesn't plus V1 plus other words. Okay. One example I write here. I go to college. This is an example. This is a positive example. I go to college. Negative example is I don't go to college. Right? Like that, you can also make sentence here. We go to college. We don't go to college. You go to college. You don't go to college. They go to college. They don't go to it. Is it clear? Did you understand? When you take about third person, what happens? He goes to college. So here, ES we are adding to verb according to grammar rule. He goes to college. Negative sentence is he doesn't go to college. Right? Then you can also use other third person verb. She goes to college. She doesn't go to college. It refers non-living things. People, chair. Sometimes it you can use for animals as well. It goes to garden. It doesn't go to garden. It works fast. It does not work fast. It rains today. It doesn't rain today. Okay. So you can practice this tense. Take one sentence and you practice with different subject. For example, I go to college, I don't go to college. We go to college, we don't go to college. You go to college, you don't go to college. They go to college, they don't go to college. He goes to college, he doesn't go to college. She goes to college, she doesn't go to college. It goes to college, it doesn't go to college. Next, one more example. I play cricket, I don't play cricket. We play cricket, we don't play cricket. You play cricket, you don't play cricket. They play cricket, they don't play cricket. He plays cricket, he doesn't play cricket. She plays cricket, she doesn't play cricket. It plays cricket, it doesn't play cricket. You practice daily 10 minutes, this tense you can use very perfectly without any problem at all. You can speak small sentence. Now, one student is coming and she does practice. Let us see how she will practice. And you practice. You do. Like this student practice present tense example. Like this student, you can also practice at your house.
I go to college. I don't go to college. We go to college. We don't go to college. You go to college. You don't go to college. They go to college. They don't go to college. He go to college.
He goes to
He
college.
goes to college. He does not goes to college. She goes to college. She does not goes to college. It goes to college. It does not goes to college.
Doesn't go to.
Doesn't go to college.
Very good. Well, no problem in practice time. We get practice. These are the mistakes that are common. So once you practice it correctly, all the sentences 2 or 3 times, you cannot make a mistake. Let me call another student. She will practice. You take the different sentence. Example, I play cricket. Or else I prepare food. Better take I prepare food. Keep the mic open.
I prepare food. I don't prepare food. We prepare food.
We don't prepare. Sorry.
We don't prepare food. You prepare food. You don't prepare food. They prepared food. We don't. We don't. They don't.
Don't prepare food.
She
Prepares.
she prepares food. She
Doesn't prepare.
she doesn't prepare food.
It prepares food.
It prepares food. It
Doesn't.
doesn't prepare food.
Okay. Well done. Great. If you practice like this, so anybody can use this tense properly. Good. Take your seat. Will you practice like this, all of you? And in the next class, we will see present continuous tense.